Okay, FM 101.7.
Ene na yemo hwie na yenko owura Sami Jemfio na yene ne nkwa twenko communications director edema NDC amanyuko no Uncle Sami Jemfio mi mo afisha pa
afin committee amina na yetinko
yo na bokọ de
onya me dia che oman no na nyema nkoye wa wani tua ahokyera edaga na for dodo na so na wohwe so die brunya ya yedino na wohwe kakra atwam ya wohwe se enye ade anyema ya bokosa na so ye no akrisufo ne ye no mo a ye ne bi nya media igusu a ye pem so kakra ye nim se enche kra no onyankopon adom ni na humo brunti e doba ba kon His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana for besanso ya na dumbie na yamano akwenya amana saba be som my Ghana so pa na my Ghana ene omampenye kufuado amamu obo nti ode ese oman no yetimi asanso apija oman no akwa fi bebia ekon nti enidaso a mewo na minim se Ghana for dodo na wo na wono a woni enidaso mpo ye peso munya se enidaso ne se enchenche ewo nafe ahokyere ene konanda yefamu no so wo hwe wampenyi John Dramani Mahama New Year message odi abana se yenya enidaso se embeba
maba unchen no pay a eye ambulance sa aban de ba ye no anope kura na yebu hu akonta no ne kese aka kakra
bi na ansa na ye beko ambulances na so no ozo recently minua odi mi gina ahoma no so no mi hu se oka nyema mienu miense bi e fa masum na me pese me tie no ne free hotel ansa kwa na ya ba ambulance na so di kwave minimze ye di brunyen 31st night minua Vincent oni aban penyufo mo kwa sore yakobo mpaye esi afefoforo ye nyina ye new year wish ba ko ne se afi we die enkankan ne wono a okasama aban so ban penyufo ne enkankan wono a okasama aban no ombema no kre edi omani se edumre bi na omoba radio so na omutwamfonyi no mane koye se bibia ekoso kama Ghana-fo eho atomo aban no ayade ama na broso ama Ghana-fo ani agea na minua asefem because omo ankasa akoma mu no mu nim senya santie anumdwa bebrebe anopei minua yidwa in the education sector say wampenye kufuado aban ayade because or the teacher training allowance aba or the nursing training allowance aba we see kindergarten ne dia wokeka ni nyina bibia onim say enya no kre that impression na wo twa mana koyese ye the allowance aba teacher training for ho atomo ye see kindergarten everything is well with our education sector bibia enya sanity because kwame no kre ne say also the allowance aba allowance isu a wuntua emre bia wo be cheke kwame wo di opa wo ni teacher training for nkasa etole bia boso me nine boso me num na ban tua allowance the teacher for additional for dodo a kan say say student loan impo a na jo ma ban ahye say o de be maye in replacement of the allowance mpo na ye dia nka semester bia no ana boso me bia no ye nsa be ka ye loan ya ye pay bi kura tua school fees enka ye benya but wo die loan a wo say eno no nye obema ya allowance so a wuntua nti ya no mu a na ya maame mu kita ye mu kakran no ene omunim se Vincent Asefo aba radio so de bia o say o ya restore allowance o free say ye dua for de hotoye nti kakra o modem ma ye ma ye dididi ni mpu na ye nya ye wa ho kire ne ho hihia mo o de no to nchen a kwame teacher training bia obeku school bia no na ni so ade hunu nyina na se obetinya ko school na wie na waba be ye adwuma wa kira de boso me so a wagina ketua that is it obia epe adwuma after school wo Ghana abakosemu when you made the kaya, and I'm saying, yeah, by Bonia, on me Ghana, Memoa, Ghana, Mabunu, say, Dachintino. Or say, a Pamoa, Eda, a Bine, as a chair, young phone Tim, say, Unyako College of Education, with your teacher training, no, you school, no trap. And yet, then, yeah, would you matter how channel? We are an abide push to, and then your friend automatic employment of teacher trainee graduates. And yes, I say, add that treated. As soldier, I buy a what way in Yana, Nadia Bayer Juma, DJ Rollins, April, so yeah, the Juma present for the Bayer Juma, President Mills, the Bayer Juma, President John Mahama, the Bayer Juma. Or my penny Kufuad on Quabri, so see with Chema, and now Uko teacher trainee, there will be the allowance, there will be allowance. Who school, who continue now one cancer pay with you. There is no guarantee say automatically no abide by with you. It's a teacher training for in because they are that here. A bit me amana kon nimwa brabomuno. What be ye free? So allowance politics nedia. Abide here say ye chemu ho. The teacher need ya drain that chemo. Or drain them and papa what you the school fees are then college of education you know. Onu adwuma ben na wo be wie school enya na onu so abaji akatua e de akohwefie eno na John Dramani Mahama say onu oba that automatic employment of teachers no or sanso dia eden or sanso dia ba hwe ena ba we or the kokua na sem ne anadwoma na sem bi e di teacher for edusuafo yo mo suku mu a e ya say aban ni nim say wame obi wie teacher trainee college and as a college of education human hwehwe aban no nya na adwen say obema teacher for adwuma because suku ada here e was yesisi near the creative vacancies for teachers na aban we won sibi oje bosia or the two kwan or the top party or di sika no wonanum di obroni friend consumption mpuntunwuma bi ani wa ode ye na campus or the creative vacancy am teacher ni it is there na aban na ye say a teacher for 20,000 maybe we school 2018 yen penyansa kwan bi so mfam fairly dodo na say be ya adwuma kra no omuntimi me bisa ye bi eti wakofa ade bi aba licensure exam teacher for akosuku akosua de aye omo practical their friend 1 year mandatory mentorship at the national service oma ye wie no oma penye kufu ado say mo sanso nkotena wona mo nkotwere exams ba akope one paper exams no the scope of the examination yen kan kire o syllabus anan nyina so exams ne fapem yen kan kire woni hwe woni markings woni bibia yese kotwere a say wetwa say wetin na in ya fairly be 80%. You can check 2080 or more license exam. Yes, you are fairly mu nyina enti omunya first class second class omunim de at the kire so de a professional job nti e wasn't ke be assess obi kwa ke assess in the practical way no. Yes, exam ba ko pa okotwere ye wa husunti no tinafie ye ma wadwuma ene ne nipa gufie pem ye we college of education yes a mandatory licensure examination ti ye ma wadwuma John Mahama si oba obetwem college of education for ye the licensure exams fairly teacher trainees na papa kwan so ye making impossible for them to get jobs no ne yakofa napco ni a ono ye training no as a teacher onim hwe about teaching degree ne kita no e bi kura wonya third class so ho yes wo kita degree mean no wo kwona ko kire secondary school for ade ss wo ko kire o ma de but the ono wa ko the college of education we are we chaka makama na say license exam ti wo ko kire P1 for ade kura enye ye me nua intention we ye di bu o man intention we e betima ma teacher for akomani no wo wie kura o say sanso koye by force national service 1 year. Oh, abai we ni swadi hunu papa bia ma teacher for wame by force teacher ni da ben na teacher ni abai bia bagana ha o si teacher for nkoye national service because teacher for omusuo ma de ni do ba bi wi a omo ko form omo ko nkurase de bia we dey fa koye practical eno ni omo national service akoye sa doctor ni bia ni wa ko medical school wi 6 years 7 years we try yes on koye national service because doctor for more housemanship no more yellow. Why me say what housemanship da?
Aye.
Housemanship na me national service.
Yeah, a doctor for yes. Aye.
Yes, a doctor for sanity.
Aye, for housemanship, yeah.
na we die teacher ni na kwa ne practicals na wie na na do se tintina twan upewumpo
but ayi sabi Janvier
aduma na bi ho
sabi Janvier sabi Janvier
radio so say na o wo se teacher training for no enye boko mo mo sa o
sabi Janvier sami
o bre
sami
yeah kwa me
a person ba ko ne say now afei o man no beti ase se we call the world over teaching profession a specialized area say accountants say nurses say doctors near the idea working bebre no anso atwa licensure exams say nurses no near the idea it is a professional course adia aniema wenum so ntworo
maza we have no good for no cherry picking the nurse for nko no mo de na professional course me no ka say me lawyer law any professional course.
A professional course.
What will lawyer we law school? Now you see on contrary license exams. We call law school. I want 10 courses to write. We have 6. Part 1. Now I have 4. Part 2. So we try 10 in now. Now you have 3. We are lawyer. Pass our subjects in our class. My answer on country say another license exam. And that a future Muntino use nurse example. I don't know who use doctors. I don't know who use lawyers. Mother, Oman Penya and I didn't say on creative vacancies bia na teacher for when you juma. And she say no, a teacher for also kwan or movie school no more, or movie school no more. And the young fell license exam. Man, okay, the license exam. Yes, now you can't say national service as well. National service as well. Teacher for almost some money that in our program, the colleges of education, field work for 1 year, almost no school, almost 1 year, I will go class for Charadia, Eba Bay, one sorry. It is the was almost also national service. And therefore, almost nursing, no more, do more hospital, almost also national service. So, the more year no. Intentia and no Kwanswa. I think one in what the after send you na minianeka. And I seek in the garden by 100. Hey! Oh, that's all right. Way. Say, no one also Baba BM in this year, 2020. We're not questioning friend of celebration of mediocrity. Say, no, I'm a share in Gratebia, Aqua Parliament. Abai we better na kunya so sikado do awanya. Dear friend of total revenue and grants. When you only say in 3 years, John Mahama total revenue and grants. There's a 2 hour JJ Yenisika, Amama hold what the chair. Okabumwa, 77 billion. From 2012, 2013, and 2014, John Mahama first 3 years. 13, 14, 15. We have 77 billion Ghana cedis. Omampenya Kufuado, total revenue in 3 years. Minya. 143 billion Ghana cedis. When you are Mahama, they are not times 2. What they are not on China. Maza, if you come and come a pencil, if they see your Mahama pencil, Ghana na Bosnia ya born a kaya day, 120 billion. What is your about 120 billion? Oma penya ku fado betina konyaso fie miensa pay. Ono kwa Bosnia 90 billion. Ene over the latest IMF report by 53 pages. IMF for the amount. Almost Ghana yanhwe here enche kwa na yebesa so awura hipik. Eka amme no man we ya. Yanhwe here ya kakura no yentimi ntua. Abobosia 90 billion. When you sika John Mahama there in 3 years when you no times 2. But said ya wo dia ya was a Mexican dagati. Asa when you tem didie. Enya tem didie. Oyonko President Mahama kakra bi mpo a onya ye no kwame. Community days in high school si do saying. The owie ye di nkonwa gu mu ebie mu library, computer laboratory ni ade nko ano. More than 70 secondary school kwa. Ene ko hwe ni pe gum, enkran ha de ne ko hwe ni pe gum. Enya sa minu ha kenya enya double track ne wo. Enya sa schools na. Kene ye quadruple track. Ka je senkura ne ye twa mu 9. But when you so dem who yes sample to nyuma ni nyina e ma education sector. Universities in nyuma ya yes. Professor Moses by universities where investments are why. Oba ye why ye bibi atantan common textbooks no. Vincent Asefua and then the boss na po any of my penye kufu adoti omo ntom mankoda. Oka omo say na teacher for omo hia textbook no mo dey asrade. It's a basic school textbook anyway. As we had the new curriculum aba. And then exams ye tregu blackboard so e wo basic school. Secondary school and na aya wo fu ani so time and in fact the school that say the toilet that say yellow track and a double track ye dey be abasa masa and a car awo for bo in the education sector a chain na secondary school ni wokra
okay
and I beto we oh all because ya ye be abasa aban we dey ye be man vote nko na odwe ho but ye must start that say bisua won say be papa education system ne be quality you be investing in infrastructure ne de keka won ne de emfa wo mo Charles kasa Charles no omo nya same janfio Charles nye NDC o Charles ye headmaster fo nyina omo kabom ku e wo Ghana se aban se de abro so ye ho kire yen sika ye hia ye de beto aduane e de ama suku nkoda wo suku mu no onfa mba enti ye bre kwa me nya za na Charles fo ka no enem ko wa mu
zan matino
Charles fo ka sika bebrebe ya magi kromu a muntimi mpra impuntunyuma a muntimi nye akwan na magyagu na atutu aye basa enti sika mo de bema suku nkoda to aduane adi keke a headmaster si complaining so and also visitors say for ba be gana nu mo ho mo fa nko mo de bidi akasa
Okay FM 101.7